Hi, today we are going to see sensorial material. It's a Tuesday, so we see sensorial. And last week in the sensorial video, I talked to you about the geometrical cabinet. We went through the trace of the drawer of circles, of rectangles, in which you saw a special rectangle called square, and you saw curvilinear triangles, and you saw what else did you see in it? You saw the quadrilaterals. Yes? Okay. Then one more what we saw was a tray of triangles. Okay? We saw the tray of triangles. If you see, triangle is any figure which has three sides. If you count from here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, any three-sided figure is called as a triangle. But they are all different, right? Right? Like it's like telling and Jenna, Diksha and yeah, you three of you are from M1. You are all girls, but you are different, right? You all belong to the same class, okay? And you all are girls, but you are different, is it not? Because your faces are different, your heights are different, is it not? Some are tall, some are short, some are fat, some are thin. Yes, but still you are all M1 girls, correct? Sorry, M2 girls. Okay, so now I am going to tell you the difference in this. So accordingly we are going to name them. Okay, going by the differences we are going to learn the names of these triangles. Now I am going to show you only 3 names. 1, 2, 3. The next 3 we will learn in the next video. Right now just 3 because it can be confusing for you. Okay. So shall we get started? Come. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Can you say the name? Equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. Say isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Now we are going to see what is different in them. Okay. These 3 triangles, we are actually giving them the name by the length of their sides. Okay. Their side we will measure and see. Okay. The name equilateral means all sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So, let's measure the sides of the 3 sides of the equilateral triangle. For that, I will need a scale like this, okay, which will have numbers on it. And we are going to measure with that scale. I am measuring this side of the triangle. If you see, it starts from 1 and goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side is 10. Now let's see the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side is also 10. Now we will see this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side is also measuring to 10. So all the three sides has 10, 10, 10 centimeters. Tell me, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. They measure equal. So this is your equilateral triangle. See, it fits perfectly into it. And we measured that it has 1, 2, 3 sides, and the first side measured 10 centimeters and the second side measured 10 centimeters and the third side also measured 10 centimeters. So all three sides have 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? So they are all equal. Because they are all equal, you call it equilateral triangle. Can you say? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Now we'll go to the next triangle. Scalene triangle. Sorry, isosceles triangle. Tell me, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now let me measure and see the side of the isosceles triangle. What do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's measure this side and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side also 10. But here you can see it is a little smaller, right? Well, let's measure it anyway. What does it show? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 10 on this side, 10 on this side, but only 7 here. So it has only 2 sides with 10. 2 sides are same, but one side is different. So that is your isosceles triangle. See that? Does it sit perfectly? Isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, what did we measure this short side as? 7. We got 7 centimeters. And this side was 10 centimeters. And this side also was 10 centimeters, right? So, 2 sides have 10 and 10. Only one side had 7 centimeters, right? So, these two are equal, but not this one. Inge all three were 10, 10, 10. Here only 2 you have. Side 2 and side 3 has 10. Okay? So, there are 3 sides. In this you have 2 sides only. This triangle is called isosceles triangle. Repeat. Isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. One more time. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Shall we measure the scalene triangle? See, I am keeping the scale. It goes all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the longest. 14. It's finishing with 14. Let's measure the other side. It comes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 only. Okay, just 8.5. It is not even reaching 9. Just 8.5. And this side we saw, we have not seen. We are measuring. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Okay, just about 6. So we saw 14 on this side, 8.5 on this side, and 6. All three are different. Scalene triangle. Okay? Scalene. Scalene triangle. What did we measure? One side, the longest side, This is the longest side, right? Side 3. What did we measure? 14. Then, this one, how much was it? 8.5? Yes. Or 8.5. I told you, didn't even reach till 9, just halfway through. And one small side it had, that was just 6, right? Yeah. So, if you see in this triangle, what happened? All 3 sides are different. Correct? This is 6 centimeters, this is 8.5 centimeters, this is 14 centimeters. So, this triangle has all the 3 sides as different. Do you understand? So, it is called a scalene triangle. When all sides are of different length, we say scalene. Scalene. So, let's say again, equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay? Isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. 10, 10, then one small side, 7 centimeters. Then we have scalene triangle. All the 3 sides are different sizes, different lengths. One is 6 centimeters, one is 8.5 centimeters, and the other one is 14. Scalene triangle. Okay. So, you forget the measuring part now. I just want you to remember that when we are going to give names for triangle, we will sometimes give it by the length of the triangle side or sometimes by the angles. Angles will come next week. But this week we are only talking about the length using the scale. We use the scale for measuring it. So, when all sides are equal, it's equilateral. 2 sides are equal, isosceles. All 3 sides are different means we call it what? Scalene. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. I hope you got it. Okay. Next week I will show you, but one time again I will show the names to you. Take a look. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Okay, can you see it very well? The sizes: equilateral, isosceles, scalene. Well children, that is all for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, please remember these names. Okay, don't forget it. And if you see any shapes of triangles around your house, I want you to now take a closer look at it and see if it is an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle or a scalene triangle. This you can do it. Yes, be very clear about it. Okay? Okay, ta-da!